we talk so much about linear function, linear equations, and their graphs. What about non-linear function? In this video, I would like to take a look at the graph of non-linear function. So first of all, f of x equals to x squared minus 6. How do you know this function is non-linear? The answer is very easy, because the independent variable x is not raised to the first power. Again, the independent variable x is not raised to the first power. So as long as you see that the entire function is not linear, not linear means the graph is not a straight line. So let's prove that it's true. So we simply plug in a few x value to the function. So we have negative 3 squared minus 6. So that is a 9 minus 6 equals to 3. So the order pair is negative 3 comma 3. Negative 2 squared minus 6. We have 4 minus 6 equals to negative 2. We have negative 2 comma negative 2. Negative 1 squared minus 6. 1 minus 6 is equals to negative 5. So we have negative 1 negative 5. 0 squared minus 6. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. 1 squared minus 6. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. 2 squared minus 6. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 3 squared minus 6. We have 9 minus 6 equals to 3. So let's write all the order pairs. 2 negative 2. 1 negative 5. And then 0 negative 6. Plot the points. The first point is x equals to negative 3, y equals to 3. So negative 3, 3. And then negative 2, 2. 1, negative 1. Hold on. The second point is negative 3, 3. And then negative 2, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 5. 0, negative 6. 1, negative 5. 2, negative 2. And then 3 past the 3. Okay. And then this is the graph. So this is not a straight line, right? You can extend the graph. The graph looks like that. If you extend the graph, this graph has a name. This is not a straight line. So first we say not a straight line. This graph has a name. If you took algebra in the past, this graph is called parabola. Right? Not a straight line because x is not raised to the first power. Let's take a look at the next one. The next one is a square root. So where is the exponent? So the square root of x is the same thing as x raised to a half power. Alright, so 1/2 is not equal to 1, so the graph is not a straight line. So when x is equals to 0, the square root of 0, let's use another color. The square root of 0 is equals to 0. The square root of 1 is equals to 1. The square root of 2, use your calculator. The square root of 2 is around 1.4. The square root of 3 is around 1.73. 1.7. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 7 is around 2.6. The square root of 9 is equals to 3. So we have 0, 0, 1, 1. And then 2, 1.4, 3, 1.7, and then 4, 2, 7, 2.6, and then 9, comma 3. Okay, so 0, 0, and then a 1, 1, and then a 4, 2. Let's plot the integer first, and then 9, 3. Okay, let's take care of the rest. And then 2, 1.4. And then 3, 1.7, and then 7, 2.6. 2.6 is more than half, right? So 2.6 is right here, and then 9, 3. So the graph looks like that. So this is not a straight line, right? So not a straight line. This is the graph of a square root function. Okay, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Before we end this video, using the table value to understand the shape of a graph, this is a very fundamental method. It doesn't matter how complicated the function is, using the table value will always get you to the graph. All right, so subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video to your friends. Appreciate your help. See you all in the next lesson. Signing out.